Welcome back, Evelyn Harper here with Forever Fit, and we are doing this Fit in 5-minute series with exercises that anyone can do. I created this series in dedication to my mother because we are working out from a couple states away together. And in doing so, I'm making a video a day. Today, we are focusing on our lower body. This is one of my favorite quad exercises. As simple as it is how I start every single workout. The hard part here is keeping your leg straight. So think of holding that for a second, tiny break, and then you're straight again. Your standing leg is faintly bent and your chest is upright. And keep your eyes straight out forward. I know I was kind of staring down. But you can see how the muscles in my quad engaged. I fell in love with band work after I tore my ACL, my left ACL, and I started doing band work during PT, and I saw how my leg was developing, and I was like, oh my gosh. It looks amazingly toned, and if it's good for me, which I know it is, it's helped bulletproof my knees, then heck yeah. And I don't think people realize, also, we're doing one side, and then we're gonna switch to the other side. So now going into standing on the band with your right foot, and then the band wraps around your left leg, and you have these hamstring kicks. What was I saying? I forgot. I'm sure it'll come back to me though. And you're just tapping your toe on the ground, and you're coming up. You want your knees next to each other. Working our hamstring. This is very isolating. You should feel it back there. Also working our balance. If you need to hold on to something, you absolutely can. Let's do 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Good. All right. On to our other side. Straight, tiny break, and you're straight again. Keeping this leg bent, so it's absorbing a lot of the shock. And you can see, even so, you've got all these little finer muscles that are coming in and playing a role. So let them play. If you need to hold on to something, you absolutely can, like I said. The goal is to not hold on to anything, because as we age, we lose our balance. So this is us working on our balance. If you don't use it, you lose it. I have a mini course out there, the 5-day Fit in 5, on the 5 elements to help you become sustainably fit. And my mom latched on to the building your fitness regimen, prepping for the older you lesson. That's why she's so gung-ho on these workouts now. I absolutely love it. Okay, let's keep playing. So now we have get-ups. I have an array of clients aging from in their 20s to in their 70s. And I have all of them doing these get-ups. There's quite a few variations. So we're gonna start with just both legs. Sitting down and getting up. Keeping the weight in your heels because it's less pressure on your knees. Same thing here. If you need to hold on to something, you can, or take it up a notch and go to a higher level, whether that's your bed or a higher couch or a higher chair. But these are the things that you're building up those muscles, and you're going to spend the rest of your life getting out of bed, getting off of couches, getting out of chairs. So might as well keep these muscles awake and perky and ready to roll when you need them. If you want to make it a little harder, you're doing one leg. If that feels too hard, you're dropping your heel and doing one leg. To make it harder, you're going slower. And you're not coming all the way up. Coming up to about there. So I can feel my quad constantly working. No breaks. To the other side. This, you'll also feel it in your core. So a couple days ago, we had 2 days of core work. Feel free to go back to those videos. And so you don't realize how much or how important working your core strength is until you're doing movements and you're just sitting there thinking about the movement, being like, huh, I do feel that in my core. Or, wow, my balance does kind of suck. I should work on it. Just the little things like that. All right, good. Let's finish with 5 more with both feet. Just going nice and slow. Your legs should be very tired by now, your quads especially. This is an exercise that we will do in every lower body workout. So, learn to love them. Okay, good. Shake it out. Done. Done with today. I will see you tomorrow for our second leg day workout.